over the month of January. What's going on exactly? This month is extremely slow. So I'm not sure what's going on. Well, I mean, don't get me wrong. When I did start Turo, it was in February. It was at the end of February. That's when I started doing Turo. It was okay. I only had one car. I only had my Mercedes. But this month, I'm not getting anything at all. I mean, let's take a look at my earning for this month. Oh my God, I mean, I used to be up there. We can look for the past 3 months. Let's see, from 2022, you can see I'm always either at the $6,000 mark or a little bit, which is not bad because that's what I need to average in order for Turo to cover my mortgage. My mortgage, I need to make at least 6,000 or a little bit below 6,000 is fine too. But in order for Turo to take care of my monthly expense, we're talking about the car payments, insurance, and my mortgage. I need to average about $6,000 because my monthly payment in total for cars and insurance, a total of, let's see, well, I know you guys can't see my board here, but I'm looking at it. But it adds up to a total of $3,117. So that is perfect. $3,117. So that's not bad at all. So having said, I'm pretty much all set when it comes to taking care of, even though it's slow, but at least the cars are helping each other to pay off the loans, so which is good. What car that's actually winning now, even though this January is super slow, or what car that's not winning. So let's take a look at it. Let's see what's going on with January. So I'm in January again. I'm below 5,000, which is bad because I need to make at least 6,000 or up. And especially having 8 cars on the platform, I do expect to make somewhere, 8,000 actually. I need to make $8,000 on the platform. That I know for a fact it is highly possible because I add that BMW. Once it start getting rented out, I should be at least make $8,000 because these cars, they're gonna bring high profit. And so let's take a look at it. So the BMW, let's see how well it's doing. Not so well. I mean, I don't even have any upcoming trip for this month. I know it's still early. Today is the 6th of January. Let's take a look at it. Today is the 6th. Well, at least this business is winning. At least my online business is making me money. That's the one advantage that I have, Have multiple stream of incomes is always good. As you can see today, January 6th, oh my goodness. That's pretty good. Almost like the 4th there. But hey, that's awesome. So that's why when those days happen on Turo, it doesn't really hurt me that much. So BMW is not doing so well, but I'm not gonna worry. I need to at least make, I think, over $500 because I think my monthly payment for the BMW is $517. So I need to at least, and that's without insurance. With insurance, so we're looking about 617 because I pay like $100, I think, for insurance because I have a bundle with my house. Yeah, some great deal. I'm only paying $750 for insurance, so it's not too bad at all for all 8 cars. So it's pretty good. So less than $100 a car technically. Well, I have 9 cars actually. There's one I don't even put on Turo. I only use it for personal to drop off cars or pick up people or whatever. So that's perfect. So let's take a look at other cars here. I have my Jeep Renegade. And awesome. The Jeep is doing great. I mean, it makes me over $800 for it. I mean, my monthly payment is around 400, so that's perfect. My Optima, not bad at all. I mean, it could be better. I mean, good thing my monthly payment is around $400. Yeah, I think, yeah, I'm covered. I'm not sure exactly how much is my monthly payment for this car, but I'm sure it's less than, yeah, definitely less than 450. a month. But yeah, not too well on this one here. I mean, I'm slightly over the 400. So yeah, close to 500, but I'm still not satisfied. So let's take a look at the next one. So my Kia Sorento is doing awesome. I'm not surprised. This car has been very consistent. 800 there, 956, 900. So it's been pretty consistent. So I'm not surprised they bring me some money there. Yeah. So let's see. My next one will be the Kia Sportage. See, oh man, I did have a high month with this car in October. October was the October, man. If you're gonna start a tour business, that month of October, it's the best month to start. Cause you're really gonna get booking. It's like a hot market there in October. So all my Octobers were like crazy booking. Luckily, I didn't have all my cars are operating on October. But this is perfect. So not too bad at all. But this year, January, clearly this car didn't get too many booking. I only have $398 upcoming trip with this car, so it sucks right now. So let's look at my Mercedes. Let's see. Give me some good news. Nope, nothing at all. I don't have a monthly payment for this Mercedes, which is great. But man, you can see it's not really bringing me no upcoming trip, no booking, no future booking. And man, it just been, but the Mercedes is one of my highest profit cars on the platform. If you look last year, besides that September and August, since somebody had crashed it on August, so they had to repair it. But you can see the Mercedes make me some great money there. Those low months are because I went on vacation on May, and June was my wife's birthday. I think I did something, but for the most part, that's when the guy crashed it early in August, so I didn't really have time to book, and I didn't book it. And that's when I got it back, a little bit late, but still, you can see how consistent this car is when it comes to making money. And I don't have a monthly payment, so I did make close to $10,000 with this car last year, so which is not bad. I mean, it could have been better, but this month kind of messed me up a little. I mean, I did have, let's say, I have almost half. I'm almost make half of my investment with this car. I did invest 22 G's when I bought it, so not too bad at all. Let's see, and my Nissan Kick. Oh man, oh that's last year. You can tell those cars getting booked like crazy. So this is actually a perfect video for those who want to start a tour business. You can kind of have an idea what car you should put on the platform. These cars always gonna do well because the economy. Believe it or not, there's more people looking to save than more people looking to go balling, flashing out. So there's always gonna be more people that's looking to save. That's why I put so many of my cars a little bit of, I kind of mix it up a little. So all my cars are economy cars except the Mercedes and the BMW, but everything else is just, but those are, the profit for those cars are better. Yeah, so this car bring me more money. Like when they do get booked, you make more money because you put it on the platform for a higher price, and you feel like it can build up your income more. So that's why I like those cars. But for the most part, yeah, these little cars, they'll do well on the platform. So if you're gonna start a tour business, don't forget to add a couple of those, cars. I'm not saying it has to be 2018. In fact, stay away from those. Get newer car. If you can get 2020, 2021, that will be much better because that way you don't have to worry about spending money on cars for repair, but you can actually focus on collecting your earning money. And then make sure the car doesn't have any open recall. Don't just go out there buy cars, but make sure you do your research before starting this. Again, thank you for watching. Hopefully you find value in this video. As always, subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Let me know exactly what you think, what next video you would like me to make, or if anything you want me to go over too. I'm happy to do it. In fact, pretty soon I'm gonna start making videos because I feel like this tour business is taking too much of my time. So I'm gonna pass on this business to someone else to manage for me. How you can make Turo become a passive income is by letting someone else uh, work it out for you. So the only thing is, majority of these cars are under my business name, so I just have to figure that part out. But hey, thank you for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.